import reviews. But first, go to dashboard. Email and password. Click login. Register for review import to review. Write your email and set a password and username. Then click sign up. Click connect. Choose WooCommerce. Copy your link. Install now. Click approve. Refresh the page. Choose to install a WordPress plugin. Install now. Activate the plugin. Refresh. Click skip. Now we add a Chrome extension. Need to use Chrome. Okay, added the extension successful. Let the extension show in your toolbar. Now, but first go to dashboard. Click products. Choose a product. For example, choose this vibrator. Click edit. Click edit. Copy the text and paste it. This is the handle. Open the product. You will see the icon will become will change to yellow. paste the handle and get reviews. Okay, it is successful imported. Go to dashboard, our website, previous changes. In the review section, you will find all the review you have imported. Now we delete remove the subscriber function. Edit and remove it. Click publish. We also delete this section, edit it, and remove. Then click publish. Next step, let your website can register. At first, click My Account. They only have the login function. We need the new user can register this website. Go to Dashboard, WooCommerce, click Settings. Choose Account and Privacy. Turn on the 3 function and save changes. Refresh our site. There will be the function register. Enter your email and register. You will be receive an email. It will be there will be password. Use the email and password. You can log in the WooCommerce. No, congratulations.